Chicago, nigga.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't.
What you say about me?
Nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name!
Okay, YouTube, I got everything sanded down, masked off, taped off the top of my car, swept out the garage, it's wet in the floor. About to go and knock this shit out. Give me a minute. It's that $310 paint. $310 for a pint. No sir. If anybody need paint, I got a plug, so let me know. Especially if y'all got color codes. Alright YouTube, we're getting there. Got this side down and done. I just closed the big door. Having a baseball game or something on the other side. So we're getting there. I don't want them to call the damn police. But we're about to finish the hood and finish the other side. Then it's a wrap for this. Then we're gonna clear it. Okay, YouTube, I'm done. Got a couple runs, but that's cool. We wet. I say wet, man. Wet. Got a couple runs, like I said, just a couple runs. That, but you know, wet sand that out. Wet. Got some trash in here. A little bit. Grab my charger because I'm out of here. Hold on, YouTube. What else I need? Damn. Wet. Some run right there. That's because I was trying to hit that handle really. Wet. We wet though. Yep. Alright.